Hello YouTube, Boss Monkey here para sa Encuentro Creepy TV. So ito, meron tayong video galing kay Scary Comp. Compilation yata ito. Scary Comp. So verified naman. So, subscribe kayo sa kanya, Scary Comp. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga scary compilation niya dito. Let's go.
Exploring an abandoned historic center in Saltillo, Mexico, Viri suddenly felt an overwhelming sensation of being watched. Upon scanning the surroundings, they made an unsettling discovery.
Estaba trabajando cuando sentí que me estaban viendo.
Putik, may mata. May mata nga.
Golpeábamos la pared y no se movía. Tampoco parpadeaba.
Tahan nyo. Baka mamaya abandon yan eh. Baka mamaya yan. Tutulog dyan yan. Taong alam mo na, homeless. Tahan nyo.
¿Qué rayos será eso?
Nakipagtitigan sila eh.
A visible eye appears to be peering directly at her from within the wound. She attempts to strike the wound to deter whatever is within it, but there is no reaction. Speculation arises among some that it could be an animal or object lodged in the wall. While others entertain darker possibilities of malevolent forces. The following day, she returns to the same spot to provide an update.
Esto ocurre en Saltillo, Coahuila, en un centro histórico. Y por acá está el cuarto donde estuvimos viendo al animal. Estuvimos más de 5 minutos viéndolo, no hacía ningún tipo de ruido, no maullaba, no parpadeaba después de los golpes en la pared.
This instance, there's an absence of presence. Observers often note the disproportionate size of the eyes, ruling out typical feline or avian features, suggesting a distinct entity altogether.
Bakit? Mata yun eh. Tingnan natin. Mata yun. Mata ng tao yun. Dapat kasi inimbestigahan nyo. Kung alam nyo meron kayo nakikita dyan, mga ghost hunter kayo eh. Mga paranormal investigator kayo. Dapat inalam nyo kung ano yan. Eh, paano mangyayari dyan eh? Malay ba namin na ano? Ewan ko, hindi ko sinasabing fake yan ha. Pero malay ba namin na scripted nyo yan? Hindi natin alam kung ano yan. Pero para sa akin, mata ng tao ito. Oh, next.
But what do you think? Let me know your... This eerie welcome was their introduction to a house previously inhabited by a doctor and his notably younger wife. Despite the outward tranquility of the dwelling, an inexplicable sense of disquiet lingered. Documented on the Lockridge Haunting TikTok page, the family's unnerving encounters compelled them to seek understanding. Explore their experiences firsthand.
Hey, just want to hop on here and explain some things about the ghost and my dog. So my dog is crate trained from his previous owner. That's his safe spot. That's where he goes when it's chaos in the house with all the children or we have company that he doesn't like. He just goes in there and chills. So that's why he sleeps in his crate. It's his safe spot. Anyway, so what you didn't see in this video is after these slight movements of the door handle, he gets up, he's wagging his tail, he is ready to go. He only starts whimpering when it doesn't open for him. So I come out, make him go potty, and you would not know anything was wrong with him. He is ready to go back in that crate. He fell asleep. I checked the camera. That night, there have been a few other things happening in the house. If you look at my older videos, and he is super chill in like the door video. And as far as the kitchen video, we have had so many things get pushed off of that countertop, and he gobbles it up. He gobbles it up. He is there waiting for it to fall. And so I think him and the ghost are like BFFs for life, or afterlife. Just had to put that dad joke in there. Sorry. Anyway, he's fine.
The dog sensed a presence, but the identity remained a mystery. As a precaution, they decided to relocate him from the kitchen, close to the dining room, to the bedroom.
Oh.
This decision proved wise, given what transpired in the days that followed.
Oo nga naman, ano? Uy, putang, gumalaw yung pinto.
The duration of this video segment is brief, and there exists uncertainty regarding whether someone was present on the floor, moving the door out of view. However, it is noteworthy to observe what transpired in the identical location when the wife was merely attempting to enjoy some leftovers.
I had a bunch of comments repeated on my original video, and so I wanted to address some of those. If you haven't watched the original video, go back to my page and find this thing. Because I'm about to go to Crazy Town and you're not going to understand what's going on. So that's a cold container of food that had been out for a couple hours. We're not disgusting. I don't want to get food poisoning and join my ghost. I had just been getting little bits for my dog Snoopy, Snoopadoops or Snoop-a-lot, because that little man deserves it. So it had been cold. I had been flopping the lid back on. It had been staying shut. I had not been inserting the tabs. It was just staying shut until this video. The second time I close it in this video, I make sure to insert the tabs. I thought I had done it the first time. So insert the tabs because I didn't want any more sketchy stuff coming from this container. What made me leave was hearing the container being pried open. I ran to get my husband who does...
So yung sa aso, maaari naman totoo yun. Kasi meron tayong tinatawag na poltergeist eh. So, yun yung mga demonic na yun. Maaari naman yung sa aso. Pwede naman yan. Pero, maaari din ginawa. So, hindi ko sinasabing fake ha. Pwedeng metali lang yun, yung lock nun. Ay, yung lock nung pinto nung aso. Kasi sinom niya eh. Sinom niya yung camera. Ewan ko kung sinom niya talaga yun para lang ipakita yung Pwede naman totoo yun. Kasi may mga poltergeist naman talaga. Pero maaring may tali din. So, alin sa dalawa? Pili kayo. So, for me, pwede naman. Saka itong nabubuksan. Nabubuksan yung lalagyan ng pagkain. I don't think na may paranormal dyan. Kasi nangyayari din sa akin yan eh. Yung mga styrofoam natin na lalagyan ng pagkain. Minsan, pag hindi mo talaga nalalaki yun na mabuti, bumibitaw yun eh. Nabubuksan yun eh. So, kahit na sara mo uli siya, bubukas uli yun. Basta dumulas yun. So, sa akin hindi ko naman sinasabing fake yan. Pero sa akin, maaari nga naman totoo yun. Kasi may mga nagpaparamdam na sa kanila. Pero sa akin, I don't think na maiko-connect ko to sa paranormal. Kasi nangyayari naman talaga yan, lalo na sa mga styrofoam na. Kaso, lalo yan, madulas yan. Plastic yata yan. So, pag hindi mo na ilak talaga yan ng mabuti, maaari dumulas yan, bumukas ulit. Doon sa pinto, pwede rin totoo yun. Kasi nga, meron silang parang poltergeist eh. Ganun din. Kung sa akin kung sa pagiging konti lang naman, skeptic na konti lang, baka mamaya may tali rin yun. Or kami nananakot sa kanya. Ewan ko hindi ko alam. Pero, yun lang yung maaaring mangyari. Pwedeng gawin. Pwedeng mangyari. So, kung totoo naman ito, good catch, di ba? Maganda yan. Maganda yung capture nila. Tuloy pa natin.
Does not believe in ghosts, so he could come and explain it away to me. It did not. He closed it, he thumped it, he roughed it up. A spirit animal.
Ayan,
I'm not
bumukas
sure,
na laman.
but
Siguro ano yan, sa akin hindi paranormal yan. Baka hindi lang talaga kumakapit yung lock niya. Kaya dumudulas siya. Sa akin yun for me yun. Kung totoo yan, maganda.
we're going to continue to review security cam here. And I'm going to tell you, as an orange, because you need a little vitamin C and laughter, and I look like crap behind this puckered facade. House is 35 to 45 years old. Doesn't seem like that old, but I'm 35, and I had to sit on the side of the bed like an old Buick and warm up in the morning.
Maaari naman totoo yan. May mga poltergeist tayo na tinatawag. Delikado na yun kasi mga medyo demonic na yun.
That's old. I mean, anyway.
Next.
Activity in the kitchen and doors manually, especially when it's being done for the sake of creating a video with another individual. Moreover, the brevity of the clip, coupled with
CCTV ba ito? Ba't ang baba naman ng CCTV nila? O camera po nito?
Watch their inaugural video from when they first moved in.
Ito lang Kung ito ay CCTV video, CCTV capture ito, bakit ganyan kababa? Or cellphone, kung cellphone man ito, kung cellphone camera ito, sabihin may inaantay silang mangyari dyan. Kaya nila binibidyohan yan. Alam nila. Kasi tutok lang. Alam nila kung ano tututukan, di ba? Kasi dapat kung CCTV yan, nasa taas yan, wide coverage ang CCTV. So, hindi ganyan ang shot niyan. Parang lamesa nga ito, parang patungan yung, ewan ko, duda ko, camera cellphone ito So, medyo may red flag sa akin ito. Anyway, kung totoo naman yan, wala naman tayong magagawa. Totoo yan Pero yun lang yung mga nakikita kong red flag.
The video raises some concerns due to its unsettling nature. It's perplexing to witness the apparent difference. Clock support to dispel any doubt.
But you gotta watch this video, y'all. You see that move under the bed? Like I know for a fact this goes to my client's house. I be seeing, you see, keep moving like right there under the bed. It's moving back and forth.
Alin?
You see it?
Ayun Ayun sa baba. Ano yun? Ano yun?
It's ghost in my client's house. Look under her bed. It come out and go back.
Ano yun?
When she in bed sleep, she ain't moved an ounce.
Yun lumabas na naman.
Do you see how it keep coming out, going back in there? This is no joke. My client truly has ghosts in her house. You see it? She don't have a dog. She don't have a cat. But it's always something moving in her room on camera at night. Sometimes it'll fly directly across the camera. He creeping me the heck out. Like, no doubt. I'm gonna let's be still so y'all can see. You see it moving in there again?
Ayun, sa taas.
Look at that.
Ayun, sa taas.
It's moving up by the bed now on the frame. And then you'll see it move again. You see that? Think I'm tripping. Maybe I want to. It's real life ghost in her house. And I'm not how I turn the cat.
Sa akin ay, hindi niyo pala nakikita. Ito. Sorry. Ito ito. Ayun
Camera. That ghost is in their room and it ain't going nowhere.
Ayun.
A spectral white apparition appears to float in and out from beneath the bed before rising and hovering beside the sleeping client. Another similar entity seems to linger under the bed as well. Witnessing this phenomenon, the caregiver becomes convinced of the haunting presence within her client's home. The nature of these apparitions, whether benevolent or malevolent, remains uncertain.
Meron din siya dito.
Nonetheless, feeling a sense of duty, the caregiver is now compelled to closely monitor her client to safeguard her well-being. Beckett is
ano yun? Maaari naman totoo yun. Kasi meron man tayong tinatawag na mga orbs. Kasi maraming mga orbs na nakukuha lang sa camera. Yung iba, insect, ganun. Pero napagkakamala nilang orbs. Pero ito, duda ko ilaw ito eh. May mga ano, parang ilaw na galing sa labas eh. So kung may bintana dyan, baka may nagpa-flashlight dyan eh. Ako for me yun baka reflection ng ilaw yan eh, na galing sa labas eh. So yun lang naman yung naiisip ko. Pero kung totoo naman yan, wala tayo magagawa dun. Totoo yun eh. So, yun lang yung yun lang yung mga possibilities na explanation. Siyempre, makakasagot lang naman yan is mga video expert, mga CCTV expert. So, tayo, hindi naman tayo mga expert eh. Bibigay lang natin yung nakikita natin na pwedeng mangyari. Pero siyempre, huling say pa rin dyan is expert, video expert, CCTV expert, ganon.
That he stumbled upon.
Pero para sa akin, parang ilaw lang sa labas, flashlight. Kasi bilog na bilog eh. Tapos yung mga parang orbs na maliliit na gumagalaw. Hindi kaya mga insekto yun. Alam naman natin pag insekto, kulay puti sa CCTV yan. Ewan ko malay naman natin, totoo yun. Pero tiningnan ko lang yung mga possibilities niya na pwedeng mangyari.
Unsettling footage within the neglected basement of a Massachusetts high school.
It's on. Second floor or main lobby. Basement? When do we have a basement?
Basement.
I just turned on an elevator with a key, this key, which I stole. I didn't get fucking suspended for this. Yeah, heading down to a basement I didn't know was here. Alright.
Po, ang dilim.
Oh, wow.
Anong ginagawa mo dyan? May police line pa.
Dust on the other end. It's not sticky anymore.
Caution tape.
Is this really taped off at one point? Does this go across? It goes right across. Locked and wow. Okay.
Baga.
Alright. That's a little weird.
Haba naman. Wala naman nangyayari. Pinahaba pa yung video. Oh, disket. Ay. Sino nakaabot sa mga disket dyan? Bago maging USB, disket muna.
It's been like 15 years since anyone's been down here. It's like a music room. We have a music department, but it's like upstairs on the top floor now. Yeah.
Nagugulat ka naman. Uy, may tao. Ah, hindi. Reflection lang. Anong nangyari dito? Wala. Ba't kinakabog mo yan?
The door fucking locked. Okay.
Oh, nalock ka, gago. Yari ka ngayon.
Stay calm. I have the key right here. Wait, can't.
Ako, ay bumukas.
Shooting me.
Take ka ngayon.
You know what?
Sabog.
I don't. I'd rather get in trouble with you.
Ayaw.
Fuck.
Take ka ngayon. Trap ka dyan.
Lockdown. It's like lockdown, you know? What the hell was...
Oh, may duda ako dito.
The door doesn't have a keyhole.
Buksan mo.
Hello? Can anyone hear me?
Wala ito.
Jesus Christ.
Ano ba?
Many of us likely share the same sentiment. There's a distinct resemblance to ARG elements. Additionally, some commenters express curiosity about the behind-the-scenes aspect. However, the authenticity of the content remains uncertain due to the absence of a detailed backstory. So, what's your take?
Sa akin, scripted. Sa akin yun ha, sa akin yun ha. Malay mo nga naman, na-trap nga naman siya dyan. Eh, kung totoo naman sinasabi niya. Pero, sa akin kasi may mga nakita akong red flag. Anyway, kung naniniwala naman kayo dyan, be it. Naniniwala kayo. Pero sa akin, scripted ito. Hindi naman kagad may dala kang susi eh. Di ba? So, pwede yung susi kasi pwede mong yan. Bawa, sinaksak mong ganun. Pwede mong ganun-ganunin lang yan eh. Bayan, ganyan-ganyanin lang yan eh. Para kuwari, pinipihit mo siya. Pero sa totoo lang, kaya mo naman talagang pihitin yun. Ginaganon-ganon mo lang siya. So, yung pinto, pwede mo rin kontrolin yun. Ganon-ganonin mo lang yun. Kuwari, galit na galit ka, binubuksan mo. Tapos sipain mo. Pwede naman totoo. Pero sa akin, for me, mas malamang yung scripted dito. Takot na takot ka na, tapos video pa rin na ito. Naka-video ka pa rin. Hindi ka pa humihingi ng mga tulong. Hindi ka pa nagsisisigaw. Wala to. Red flag sa akin to. So, yun. Salamat kay Scary Comp. Subscribe kayo sa kanya. Shout out Team Green Minded. So, kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, please subscribe, like, share, and pakipindot na rin yung notification bell para updated kayo sa mga susunod nating uploads. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye.